Hello. Just a quick Glisten Glow haul from Jill's flash sale she had, about a week and a half ago. But first, just want to wish Jill get well soon. We need you back front and center. Jared's doing a great job, but we miss you. Okay, here is my Glisten Glow order. I ordered her Living Free in 23 collection. The first one was part of Polish Pickup, the December Polish Pickup, which I didn't get, but I was able to get it during her flash sale. And this is a gorgeous neutral, but it's got a pink shimmer. Do you see that? That is so pretty. That is gorgeous. And then I got the next one in that collection is Learn From Yesterday. Excuse me if I sound slightly congested. I have a dreaded head cold. It's not the C word, it's just an annual head cold that I get. This is a beautiful purple, but it also leans teal and green and some pink in there. That is Learn From Yesterday. And then the next one in this collection was Live For Today. And this is a berry purple with a pink shimmer. These all have the same shimmer in them. You can see they all have the same pink shimmer, but they are so pretty. And then the last one in this collection is Hope for Tomorrow. That's something we can all use. These past 3 years have been very just they've been trying. This is a green, teal, turquoise with the same pink shimmer. Those are so pretty. I'm going to try. Remember, I mentioned in a previous video, this is the first time I've ever really done live swatches or anything like that. So we're going to try. So this is the first one again is, what is it? What was it? Live Free in 23. And so let's see. Jill does this and she makes it look so easy. Let's just see. Look at that. It's kind of sheer on the first coat. But again, I'm going to look at that pink shimmer. That is so pretty. And then we'll go back and do other coats. At least two more. At least another coat, rather. And then this one is Learn From Yesterday. Originally, I was only going to get this one. But then the rest of them were calling me. So again, this is Learn From Yesterday. This is the blue, teal, purple with the pink shimmer. That is pretty. Look at that. And then here is the purple berry. This one is Live For Today. This is Live For Today. Oh, that is so pretty. Oh, got a stray hair there. There we go, got it out. So that is Live For Today. And then the last one is Hope For Tomorrow. And then let's go ahead and look at Hope For Tomorrow. Look at that. That is so pretty. If you hear football in the background, that is my 86-year-old mother. She is a football fiend. Sadly, our Jaguars didn't go any further, but they did a lot better than they have previously, so. All right, let's do a second coat of Live Free in 23. I'm trying to make sure I stay in focus, or in frame, rather. So bear with me. That is so pretty. I think I'm going to do 3 coats in this because currently my nails are not long, but I would believe if I had my normal longer nails, my nail line would show through. And then again, Learn From Yesterday. Oh, did I just mix them up? No, this is Learn From Yesterday. It's coming in much more opaque on that second coat. That is Learn From Yesterday. And then Live for Today. Jill, you make this look so easy. And this is the berry. Live for Today. And then lastly, Hope for Tomorrow. That is Hope for Tomorrow. And this looks familiar or similar to another one of Jill's polishes. Hold on. Okay, I'm back. Again, this was, excuse me, Hope for Tomorrow. And I said it looked familiar or looked, and I think Jill even compared it. It looks to a polish that I got during her sale when she was having all of her blue polishes on sale. And that is PTSD and Anxiety Awareness. And that is this one. Let me close this one up so I can do a side by side. Excuse me, bottle comparison. So this again is Hope for Tomorrow. And then this is the PTSD. So they do look very similar, but the shimmer, the pink shimmer in the Hope for Tomorrow is much more prevalent, and I don't see it in the PTSD. But let's do a side-by-side swatch. Hold on. All right, so let's see. This is the Hope for Tomorrow, and then let's go ahead and do the PTSD. It's much more sheer. It's much more sheer. I'm gonna go ahead and put on a third coat of the Living Free in 23. I just want to see. I mean, because it looks pretty opaque, but I want to see what a third coat would do. If it would boost that. That is just so pretty. That might just be my polish for this week. That is so pretty. So again, we have Living Free. Where is it? In 23. That's the name of the whole collection. And then we have Learn from Yesterday, which is the blue purple. And then we have Live for Today, which is the berry. And then we have the Hope for Tomorrow. And again, I'm doing a comparison with the PTSD polish that she had a while back. Although in the bottles they look similar except for the pink shimmer, on a swatch, the PTSD is much more sheer. I don't even think if I put a third coat that it would be a dupe. But those are so pretty. Jill, you did it. You did it again. You did it again. All right. So those were the polishes that I purchased from Jill's flash sale. But there was one more thing that I had to get. As I've said time and time again, my favorite go-to top coat is Jill's Fast Dry top coat. And I buy bottle after bottle after bottle. So I said, heck, I just went ahead and bought the refill. And that's when you know you really like a product, when you buy the refill sizes, the large sizes. I mean, I buy that. I've got my top coat, a top coat that I buy in the large size. I've got a fast drops that I buy in the large refill size. So once you graduated to me purchasing the refill bottles, you have arrived. So this is the 2 ounce. Next time, Jill, I'll probably get the 4 ounce. So I think I've got 3 empties that I need to fill. So I will be filling those with my favorite Fast Dry top coat. So again, this is my Glisten Glow haul from her recent flash sale. And again, Jill, get well soon.